You.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
go on.
could you just tell us a little bit about living in Bournemouth?
Yeah, so Bournemouth's it's quite a high homelessness rate, but there is a lot of help out there.
Yeah.
It's just you've got to
Help
search
yourself.
you've got to be resourceful,
Yeah.
and look out for the there's a lot of soup kitchens here. You've got things like I mean a little bit of the dash, but
But thanks for that, everyone. So I'm here. I'm in Bournemouth. I wonder if there's any homeless people here in Bournemouth. There, so with M. Our good vibes people. Yeah. So we've been in Croydon. We've been in Brixton. We've been all over the gaff. Just come up to Bournemouth to venture out and to see what the town centre is like, and to see if here is a community that we should be tackling with homelessness people. We're down by the coastline here in London. I'm going to just be walking around the town and just be showing you guys a little bit of sightseeing, and also my aim and objective is to find if there's any homeless people around town. Good vibes. Yeah, so as you can see that we're around town right now. We're in Bournemouth, and yes, there you go. There's people out here on the streets that are actually sleeping rough. Do you understand? And this is a community that also needs help. You'll be shocked to see, shocked to know. All right, let's keep going, people. Yeah, our good vibes. That is it. So yeah, man, the town centre of Bournemouth. Yeah, man, we're in the town centre of Bournemouth, and look, it's actually no different from Croydon, everyone. Like, there's a lady here on the floor. You can tell that she's homeless. She's sitting down. You understand, people? Yeah. It is rough. It's a rough community. Also, there's roughness to this town here, people. Yeah. So yeah, man, if you're watching this video and you can see what's going on, try and help. You understand? I'm out here to try and put back into the community, help humanity. So if you have been watching all the videos, you understand the simple thing to do. If you can make a donation or involve yourself to come out and help the community with Ringo Vision and team, do so. Good vibes. So here in Bournemouth, you've got a little shopping centre called the Arcade. You understand? So you can see that there is value out here in the town centres. Like, you understand, Ernest Jones here. You understand, other shops in here. Yeah? You can see, say, House of Fraser, a big department store, has been closed down. So you understand, we're there in town, people. Yeah, good vibes. Downtown. Quite a few shops are kind of like derelict here in Bournemouth on the high street as well. Mr. Sims, different type of candy store over here. You understand? But yeah, there's a lot of places that are unoccupied here on the high street, people. Yeah, our good vibes. We're still walking through the town. This is welcome to Richmond Gardens shopping centre, shopping and leisure. Doesn't look like there's much going on inside of there. All right, our good vibes, people. Yeah, we're there up on the high street, still looking out to see the environment and what's offering, and to see if we spot any homeless people out here. Our good vibes. This place is a nice little town, but it's offering the same values here that we see in Croydon. Everybody, it's the same type of value. You understand? Roughness, people that's affected by alcohol, people that's affected by drugs, people that's affected by mental health. Is still out here, people. Yeah. It's highlighted here through the high streets, through individuals, you understand? And our aim and objective is to help humanity build back and rekindle the love amongst people. Are good vibes. Mad. This place here, Bournemouth. Look, it's prone, it's known, it's highlighted, it's in your face, it's not hiding. You understand, people? Yeah. I'm gonna show you what's happening. So just like Queen's Park in Croydon, you can still find a park up here in the heart of town, where if we was out with the shopping trolley and going out to feed people, this is probably one of the spots. Can do it. Conduit together to get here. I think I said it right. But yeah, this is like a park where we'll probably come to with the shopping trolley and try and help and feed these guys that we see here in the background. You understand, people? Yeah. Are good vibes. Bournemouth, people. Yeah. It is a nice place. It is a nice little town, but we can see that it still has highlights of roughness in and around the town. You understand, people? Yeah. Are good vibes. We're gonna see some of the things that is there to offer here in Bournemouth as well, in the sense of shopping and a place to come to. This looks like a Thai restaurant right here. You understand? Our good vibes. So yeah, these lot are just on their bikes and they're just leaving, cutting through. But you can see that there are the people that are kind of living a bit rough, like anywhere else in any other areas. You understand, people? Yeah. All right, we're still outside. Our good vibes. What we do to help? We can see things out of place and we can try and put them in place. Sometimes we go out on our journeys on a day-to-day basis. You understand, people? Yeah, we go out on our journeys on a day-to-day basis. But what actually happens? We can see someone. Some of the people that we see, they need food. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up you lot self. Yeah. A good vibes.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
can
you just tell us a little bit about living in Bournemouth?
Yeah, so Bournemouth's it's quite a high homelessness rate, but there is a lot of help out there.
Yeah.
It's just you've got to
Help
search
yourself.
you've got to search, you've got to be resourceful,
Yeah.
and look out for the, there's a lot of soup kitchens here. You've got things like, I mean, a little bit of the dash, but
but thanks for the short time that you've given me today. Yeah, my name's Ringo.
Nice
What's
to
your
meet
name?
Marcus.
Marcus. How long have you been homeless?
I've been on homeless now for the last year. But I've just got in somewhere.
So how do you think you're gonna cope in the winter period?
Well, I'm just got in a hostel now. So
Okay.
Yeah, help myself.
Is it expensive?
£200 a month.
Okay.
Top up. Yeah. So also,
All right, Marcus. Thanks
Right,
a
sweet,
lot.
brother.
Yeah. All right. Respect, man.
Yeah. All right, sweet guys.
So we've seen enough in this town of Bournemouth to see that there is a need for help in a town like this. You understand? You can see that there are people out here that are homeless just walking around the town centre. It's also early in the morning as well, and what is there to do if you're homeless and there's no money in your pocket? It's also cold, it's going into that winter period, it's not sunny anymore. What do? You understand? What can we do to help other than providing food and things like that? They need other essential help. Some of them are suffering from mental health, you understand? So there's a lot of needs out here for humanity, people. Yeah, our good vibes. We're outside and we're just showing you the effects of homelessness in other communities other than London, where we're tackling right now, everybody. Yeah, our good vibes. The arcade. Let's see what this shopping centre here. Shopping centre, little arcade. Again, it's got a upmarket to the place as well. So as much as you see the roughness on the outside, but it's got stores like Waterstone's bookstore, Ernest Jones, like I said earlier. Do you understand? It's even got a Rolex shop in there as well. So there is money lingering around, but there's also poverty and struggles also around in this community as well. You understand? Our good vibes, everybody. Yeah, man, we're here. Not much in the arcade, but it's an arcade. It takes you from one side to the next side. Let's see what's on this side, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Where do we come out? We come out the stables across the road. Not much more shops. There's a big church in the background. Yeah, man, our good vibes. We're still here in Bournemouth. Gonna try and find something to eat now. You understand? That is it, people. Yeah, our good vibes. All right, so just come in the shop to just come and get a quick snack quickly. Show you what I just got in a second, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Been walking around town all morning, so now we just quickly get a quick snack. You understand?
No, that's gonna be 23.61. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So what I've got here is some tomato salsa, some lettuce, some jalapeno, some guacamole, some chili, some rice, some chicken. How good vibes. Not bad, not bad. Emma, what do you think of your meal?
I think it was really nice, man. It's like loads of like different little flavors and
Taco.
Tacos are nice. Tres tacos, chicken and beef.
If you could make a taco with your own recipe, yeah, obviously the same formula in that, all the little things that they chop up, what kind of meat do you use?
I've done it before.
Yeah.
I made a breadfruit.
Yeah.
You get a breadfruit and make a taco out of a breadfruit.
How?
Very difficult.
You
Very
said
difficult. Yeah.
thin the slice, yeah?
I tried to do it, but it didn't really work out. But I've seen other people do it though. So imagine that. Like imagine if you can even use like a plantain. Like use a plantain and put like curry chicken.
Literally. Because plantain can be pressed out flat, and then...
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Makes sense. I like
plantain tacos.
plantain taco, breadfruit taco, people, yeah. That's what M.'s tried before, so...
I'm gonna try and do that next week.
Yeah? Alright, a good vibes. Alright, quick question. You guys want to see me and M. do a wacky cooking venture? Something out of this...
Something crazy.
Out of this world.
You can dig underground, you cook in the sky.
Alright, people, yeah, a good vibes. With our Bournemouth. Yes, people, so yeah, man. Just had a little lunch, had a little something to eat. Come back out on the high street, and then, yeah, Bournemouth. Has it got a homeless community? Yes. Does Bournemouth need help? Yes. A good vibe. So, yeah, man, I think here's one of the places that we'll actually come down to when we get the opportunity again, and then just tackle some of what's actually going on here in Bournemouth, people, yeah? Our good vibes. People, so just come back in the car now. This one was really a quick one, you understand? We see the dynamics of Bournemouth. Whenever we go to an area right now, we're gonna take a little stroll through town and see what the town centre is like and see what the area is like, you understand? Just showing you the awareness and spreading the awareness of different communities around London. We're in Bournemouth. We didn't get to go down by the seaside, but we was able to be in the town centre, and I just was showing you the homeless side of things here in Bournemouth, people. Yeah, pick up yourself until next time. Good vibes.